Hi everyone. I recently made a mini popper lure out of wood and was learning the lure making process. This time though, I wanted to craft a crankbait. Not sure how to do it, but here it goes. I'm trying to use an app to design it, and it's been decades since I sketched anything like this. A bit rusty here. The intention is a perch, and it's based off, I guess, a strike king or whatever. It's the best I could do here, but I think I got the intent correct. Yeah, so I don't have any like major power tools like sanders, bandsaw, table saw, etc., since I don't have a garage or a workshop. Mostly relying on a small power drill, handsaw, a Dremel, and lots and lots of sandpaper. So this will be a very slow process, and it will be handmade all the way. The wood that I'm using here, I think it's a poplar. It's a leftover from some window trims that I had. So I guess it's a softwood of some sort. Just eyeballing the cut here, using a block of wood to get the correct angle. I mean, the correct way to do it would be to make a jig of some sort to get the proper cut. Coming into form, just continuing to sand the extras off. Now it's beginning to look like a crankbait. Now the question is to make it into a diving or a floating crankbait. That's the question I need to ask myself. Prepping the areas here to start carving the gill plate, just to add a little detail to it. I couldn't use my drill to twist the eyelets. It snapped in half many times, and I tried. Wire is very brittle, I think. Maybe the wire is not the right type. I'm using a 5-minute epoxy to set the eyelet in place. Now here's the difficult part, painting this crankbait. I haven't used a brush in decades, so it'll be trial and errors, more errors than anything. So I just hope that it'll turn out okay. Great fun making this, and I'm very happy with my first try at making a crankbait. Now I just need to figure out how this thing swims, and just want to say thank you all for staying and watching me making this wooden lure. I hope to make different types of lure going forward, and again, I just want to say thank you. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.